So deposit $25,000 and profit $46,000, and here was our balance. Now on Monday we made a little bit over $10,000. All of our trades are transparent and you can join our free Telegram community. And here are our members, okay? What are our members saying? So this guy, Edward, was able to make 3.1k from just $750 in just 2 weeks. And this person was able to pass funded trading challenges, all thanks to our automated trading bot. But in this video, guys, what I'm going to talk about is how to get the best results with either Precision Edge Scalper or bot or any other expert advisor automated trading bot. Okay, let me be really clear, guys. Artificial intelligence, AI, is here, and this is our automated trading bot, which opens and closes trades automatically. It looks for profitable trading opportunities in Forex indices as well as crypto market and gold market. But there's a thing, guys. There's no such thing as, automated trading bot, for example, that you can simply turn on and it's gonna make us all rich and all wealthy, okay? And we will be all running around, in our pants. No, it's not gonna happen. And if I say that there is such a thing as automated trading bot, which is gonna make us, which will make everybody rich, then I'll be lying. There is no such a thing. Our automated trading bot has proven to be successful, profitable, and really reliable. But the thing is this: you need to follow a set of rules. You need to understand those set of rules, and you need to engage in those set of rules. Only if you follow the rules, you'll be able to leave your job, okay, and use an automated trading bot and generate profits, but only if you follow the set of rules. Right, so let's talk about how to manually lock in profits, okay, before the auto trader does, to avoid the massive drawdowns and read the markets basically like a pro, using support and resistance, breakout structure, and supply and demand zones. If you ever felt frustrating watching your auto trader opening multiple trades and not hitting your profit targets, then this video is for you. Let's jump in. Right, so first of all, time frame matters more than you think. I see many traders using EAs or auto traders on random charts, and that's why they sometimes even lose. For Forex majors or gold, XAU USD, I always use 15-minute time frame chart. Why? Well, it's precise enough to catch the strong trends, but it filters out noise from tiny price movements, okay? So if you run multiple pairs, don't just slap the EA expert advisor on everything. Start with just 4 to 5 strong pairs. This keeps the trades clean and manageable. Trust me, quality beats quantity every single time. And sometimes I just see people, placing the auto trader expert advisor on some exotic pairs, or Mexican, pairs, or Russian ruble, or Indian rupee. Guys, don't trade, and then they expect to see really profitable trades. Guys, only trade Forex majors. Euro, GBP, Canadian dollar, American dollar, Japanese yen, Forex majors, and then or gold, XAU USD. Don't trade it on exotic or minor pairs. Now let's dig deeper, okay? Here is where you separate yourself from 90% of the EA auto trader users. Well, yes, EA trades automatically. It opens trades for you, it closes trades for you. But if you know how to read the charts, you can take profits manually before EA does, okay? Because, respectively, guys, nobody in the world, okay, no EA knows exactly where the price is gonna go up or down. Auto traders can see profitable trading opportunities, place the trades, and expect to exit the trades at a particular profit margin. But that's not gonna happen 100% of the time. But what's best in our case scenario is to separate yourself from 90% of the users. Do you want to be separated yourself from 90% of the users? Do you want to be in a top 10 or even top 5? Here's what you do. Look for these 3 things: support resistance levels, breakout structure, and supply and demand. So what I'm talking about here, I'm talking about this, okay? For example, if a gold, XAU USD, is deep in the profits, okay, but hitting strong resistance, what you should do, and if it's already in a really nice profit margin, I'm going to show you now an example in a second, live example. You can close the trade manually and lock in profits instead of risking reversal. That's how I keep my account growth consistently, and that's how I teach my members to grow their accounts consistently. For example, look at this beautiful Euro USD buy trade, which is making me currently 3,000 in profits. Right here, in front of your eyes, right here. And now there's the question, okay, so this is Euro USD buy trade. Already deep in the profits from one single trade. What should I do? Should I just go away, and forget about it and come back in 2 days and expect, wow, beautiful results? No, nobody can predict the market whatsoever. But what I can do, I can say, okay, over 3,000 in profits, okay? Markets are really volatile. I should go back to my chart, okay, and look at the Euro USD, okay? In this case, trading view chart. And look at this. I see that, okay, wow, on 4-hour chart, I can clearly see that, okay, there is a resistance level right here. So, and this is a buy trade. So I know that if it goes into this region between this candle body close and this wick, okay, the price might touch it and actually drop before it's continuing its way back up. So should I just wait until it reaches this level and perhaps drop? Which probably will drop, okay? This is really strong resistance level right here, this 4-hour chart. Look at this rejection right here and here. So what should I do to lock in my profits? What should I do to take as much profits as possible? Even though, okay, all you can do is to get optimum amount of profits as possible, not the most, okay? No, so now what you should do is to thing number 1, identify your reversal area, which in my case, Euro USD buy trade. I see the reversal probably is going to happen here on this 4-hour chart. Then what I should do, I should break my 4-hour time frame to 30-minute time frame. Okay, first of all, make sure you put your horizontal line, okay, where your resistance is. And then on a 30-minute chart, if I see the price coming up here, and if I see 30-minute candle, a red 30-minute candle developing, it means that the reversal is starting to happen. Then I should, break it down perhaps also the 15-minute chart to see that, the next candle is red and the price is starting to reverse. I jump in and I close that profitable trade and I take my money out. That's it. Because there will be many more trades, guys. There will be, it's always quality over quantity. There will be many more trades coming up. Bot will scan the markets and will look for profitable trading opportunities. But in this case, I should take my money and walk away. That's the best way to get the most optimum results with the auto trader. Because, if the trade reverses and it could go even further down and it could actually hit my stop loss. So, if I do nothing, and if I'm being irresponsible and I go away, I could lose my profit that I'm already generating and I could actually go even further in losses and it could hit my stop loss. So why should I do that? No, I shouldn't do that. I should take a look at my charts, 4-hour chart and 30-minute chart, look where the reversal is going to happen, either for buy or sell trade. And I teach all that in my academy, but in this case, I can protect my profits. Now, what I also use is my own indicator, which is UPSI. And my UPSI is, wow, look at this beautiful order block. So UPSI is actually suggesting that the price could reverse a little bit lower. See this order block here and here, see this gray box? This is automated by this is UPSI, this is indicator for trading view. And in this one, what I do basically is I've set an alert, and it's going to basically alert me whenever a reversal is happening. And this is available to my academy members. For more information, contact me or DM me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Links are below. But this is just an example, okay? And because you can monitor this yourself by simply looking at the support resistance and supply and demand and break of structure zones. Next tip, okay? Always use micro lots for small accounts. Avoid doubling up trades manually. Let EA manage dynamic sizing. Remember, safe trading wins over risky trading every single time, okay? And always remember, there will be more trades coming up, okay? Some people think that, okay, whatever trades are being placed, those should be the trades that will change your life. No. Consistent results will change your life, not the profitable trade. I don't even care about my today's profits. I don't care about my yesterday's profits. Yes, we made so beautiful, 10, 15, 20K, okay, a week, whatever, a little bit over than that, fine. But what I care is, will those results come every single week, every single month? I care about consistency. And once you start changing your mindset and put your priorities towards consistency, not towards today's profits, then your mindset will change, and your way of using auto traders will change. That's what I'm trying to teach you here, guys, okay? I'd rather grow my account slowly but consistently than gamble and wipe it all out. Please understand, it's about owning the auto trader that you understand how to use, okay? There's no such thing as a free lunch, free dinner. Forget about that. I can give the auto trader to complete lunatic, and he will blow his account up again and again. Because what I see mostly people do is they get the auto trader, they're so getting like so excited, you know, whoopee, yoo, yeah, you. I can leave my job. They put in like $1,000, $2,000. They turn it on. They go away for a week or 2 weeks. Why? Because they saw huge profits in day 1, 2. But they didn't understand how to take those profits and why. Of course, after they come back after 2 weeks, it's 50% chance what's going to happen to that account. Either blown up or not blown up. I don't want you to use any auto trader, either this Precision Edge Scalper, that way. Please. Okay, so now this is the big game changer. Many traders don't use session control or news filters correctly, and that's why traders blow out. So use session filters, enable news filters, and make sure that you understand that you switch off the bot 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after the US news. Restart after 30 minutes. I've been talking about this many times, but when I ask people, do you understand this concept? They don't. What I'm talking about here are the tribal news. Okay, I speak about this every single time when I talk about this. So what is this? For example, this is an economic calendar from investing.com. You see these 3-star news. When you need to switch auto trader off at least 30 minutes before these news releases and at least 30 minutes after these news releases. Why? Because whenever there are being news releases being released, it's, markets are extremely volatile. Negative news for the dollar or positive news for the dollar means bad for gold, so gold drops and dollar pairs goes up, and vice versa. If there's positive news for the dollar, negative news for dollar, the dollar pairs drops, and at the same time, exact same millisecond, gold goes up. So this is the intercorrelation. So and also the same, for example, if you trade the GBP pairs, for example, and you see GBP news at 12:30, my job is to switch the bot off at 12, and my job is to switch the bot back on at 1 o'clock, 30 minutes after the news release. It's my job, it's not the bot's job, it's my job. And once I understand my job, I understand how to use bots successfully, accurately, and only that way you will get consistent and reliable results. Does it make sense, guys? I really hope it does, because there is no such thing as a money-making machine. There is beautiful, profitable, automated trading software that uses AI technology that we use. But you need to understand how to use it, when to switch it off, when to switch it on, how to take profits if you see deep, profits from some trades, so that you don't start shaking and think, oh no, okay, I go to sleep. Hopefully tomorrow will be more profits. No. Please watch this, please engage into these points I'm teaching in this video to get the best optimum result, guys. So guys, sessions. If you're a very risk-averse person and if you have very small trading balance and you're still willing to generate consistent profits, that should be one of the first things. Choose the trading session in which you will allow a bot to run. Yes, it's of course advisable to run the bot during all sessions from Monday to Friday, 5 days a week when it comes to Forex. Of course, the crypto runs 24/7. But at least you know what you're doing. If I was very risk-averse person, I would choose my session, which is a London session, because I live in GMT time zone. Okay, so for those who don't understand what are the sessions, what I'm talking about, guys, here are the sessions. Okay, please understand this. You must understand this. You must understand what you're doing. So here is the world map, and here are the sessions. Okay, New York session, London session, which will be my session because I wake up in the morning and I go sleep at night. This is the day, this is the session where I live into. This is the best session which I could manage, okay? Now, then there is Tokyo session and Sydney session. These are called the Asian sessions. Why they're so important? They're extremely important. For manual traders, for example, look, for example, this, for example, how the chart goes. and whenever the session, new session starts, that's basically the new day in that time zone, in that region. If you want to learn more about sessions, guys, and if you understand sessions, the trading sessions, then it's already a huge advantage. Guys, please join my free Telegram for more tips and tricks, and you're always welcome to contact me or DM me if you need any help, any assistance, even if it's not trading related. I'm still gonna try to help you out, okay? I can answer, from wherever I am. I really want to give as much value as possible. I love you all, guys, and if there's anything I can help you with, please contact me and join our free Telegram. Link is below. If you also want to test our auto trader, you're always welcome to. I love you all, guys, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining my free Telegram, and see you on next side. I love you all. Bless. Bye bye.